Well, hey everyone. This week, which it is April 26th, this week the RV's in the driveway and we are doing some major repairs slash renovation. The bunk room, Piper's room, and you know that we had, well, when we bought it, we knew that there was some water damage. So we are going to be fixing this back corner that was damaged. We are going to be redoing this whole entire wall. And then because of that, there is a soft spot right about, oh, you can't even see my foot, right about here. So my project for today is to peel back the carpet, and maybe the linoleum too, and see how much of a section I need to cut out and put a new board in. Lori and Corey from the Northwoods RV Life posted on Facebook today that they got snow. So we don't have that. It's supposed to rain. Today we might hit 50, but tomorrow's going to be 80. So I'm going to get some stuff done in here today inside the coach. And then tomorrow, I have a few things I got to do. So we put the new awning on last week. And the older one probably was a bit longer. Well, obviously it was longer. So we have these ugly holes where the mounts used to be. So I ended up ordering some motion detector LED lights, and they're going to cover that. This one's going to be a little tricky, but I have just enough space for it. The first ones I ordered aren't going to work because they showed that they had an on and off switch, and that's what I want. I don't want to be driving down at night and a car passes me, or I'm passing a car or whatever, and I don't want the lights to come on because they're going to be extremely bright. So I want one with an on and off switch. The one I ordered, it looked like the on and off switch was on top. It wasn't, it was behind it. So this is a light you mount to the wall and the on and off switch is behind it. That made no sense. So I ordered another set, almost identical, with a switch on the front, and it actually has two sensors for scanning. So overkill, yeah, probably. Will we use them? Yeah, perhaps, but at least they cover those holes. Our little downspout gutter that helps keep the water away from the coach, those broke. So all the nasties are running down the side of the coach. So unfortunately, I don't have any. I thought I did, so I'm gonna have to order them. But it's not a problem. They're easy. One screw, a little bit of Dicor, sealant, whatever you want. Let me back up a little bit more. And I know last year we had to replace the, you can't even really see it, the roof vent above the bathroom. When we bought the coach, it wasn't even there. It was a big, massive hole in there. So put the new one on, but I like having Maxx covers. So that's tomorrow's job too. I'm going to put them up on there. That way I can leave the vent open. It only has the one vent. I'm really shocked that there wasn't one in the bedroom, but it doesn't matter. The ones I had in my bedroom before, in my older trailers and motorhomes, I never used it anyway. So bathroom, yeah, you use it. Steamy. Get rid of the unpleasant odors. we'll just leave it at that. So, and oh yeah, the other thing we got to do today is we are going to be replacing, well, not replacing, we're going to cut this horrible tape job off that the previous owner did, and we have a new cover to go over this. So I will be putting that on because the good people over at Stromberg sent us one of their zip grips. Well, we have something else from them too. Let's go over here. This part's gonna be cool. I'm sure you've seen them from time to time. They have these awesome trays that will mount over the propane tank there. It sits up a little bit higher. You can put a generator on it. So we are going to put that together. Not today though, because it's too cold, but this week. So there'll be a video sometime into there. And of course I say this week, but when it comes down to editing the videos and releasing them, it could be all different times. So